everyone, this is second video for basic using Surpac. Now let's review setting up your menu and toolbars. Everywhere in the menu and toolbars, when you use the right mouse and click, you will see pop-up menu for setting up menu and toolbars. Because of there are lots of menu and toolbars for working in Surpac, then setting up menu and toolbar will depend on your specific job. For example, if I want to set menu and toolbars for pit design, I will use in the menu Surface Design. Then I right click again. In the toolbars, also here, Surface Designs. You will see menu and toolbars appear here. We may move menu and toolbar to be in good arrangement. At many times of my work, I often use toolbars, edit, again toolbars, inquire. This is very useful set of buttons when you use Surpac. In the future, if you like this setting, you can save it into a profile by right-click on the window or toolbars, and then profile, save. Put a name in text box here. I will put string learner. And then apply. Right click again here, you will see your profile in the list. Okay, let's try to change your profile. For example, brass design, profile, my design, profile, full screen, profile, GeoG database. You will see all the buttons in each profile will match with the set of the job that you want to do. I will make a video for managing menu and toolbars in advanced video later. Now you know basic for how to set your working environment in Surpac. Now let's learn a very important basic data manipulating. I will go back to my profile, right click, profile, string learner. Let's set a working directory to learn about string. Right click, new folder, learn string. Right click again and then set as work directory. Okay, we should set our menu and toolbar for learning, editing, and inquire our string by adding toolbars, display and hide over here. Then we save it in our profile. String learner, okay, I will not change the names. Now let's begin to build some lines on viewport. Firstly, you must know what is string number you are going to use by look at this button below here. str equal to 1. It means you're gonna use string number 1 to create point or segment when you digitize on viewport. Now look at this button. Start a new segment for digitizing. You will use it with this button. Digitize a point as cursor location. A trick for you to remember is always click these buttons before click. Digitize a point at cursor location. Then you digitize until finish a line. Then place Escape button on your keyboard. For example, firstly click here and then click here. Now you digitize. Press Escape on your keyboard. Click here again. Then Escape. Place here and here. Escape. What you see now in the whole viewport is string number 1, but we have 3 segments. Click this button to clear temporary marker. What will happen if you change the string number here before digitize? For example, if I change it into 5, click it over here, put the number 5, apply. You can see here it changed to number 5. I click here again and then here. Again here. You will see it has different in color. Yes, string number is used for control appearance of segment and point which has the same string number. Let's take a look on display property, string and point. Click it. Here it shows you how each string appear on the viewport. String number 1 will appear as white line. String number 5 will appear as bright green line. In the table, it already has some set of strings with their appearance or style. If you want to define a string number in your own style that is not in the list, you click in front of the rows, then add. Move it down to the lowest row. In the column length, put a new number that it doesn't have in the list. For example, I will put 9001. On the lines, you click here and then click properties. Change the color. For example, I will choose red color. Okay. And the thickness to be 3 and style dash line. Then I click OK. Then apply. We go to change the string number which we are going to digitize 9001. Apply. Now test it. Let's save these segments to a file. Simply click here. A simple useful naming Surpac file is name followed with the number. For example, I will use test 1, but don't put any serial number, lead, author number like this. It's not allowed. Okay, back to the old one. Then apply. You can see your file in working directory. When you finish to save a file, Surpac doesn't link or connect to it. If you move for the delete file, it is independent to do without any lock by Surpac. Also, if you edit segment in viewport without saving, if you clear viewport, you will lose data and no update at the file you save. Be careful. Important notice. Surpac doesn't have any autosave for you. You have to save it carefully by yourself. Okay, see you next video for more about string. Enjoy your Surpac. Bye.